People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people.
Me pray every time I feel can't do no different. Swear me have a win. That's why I'ma try again.
So what go on, people, what go on? Welcome back to my channel. So today, people, we're going to talk about Tommy Lee. He's been locked up since July 8th and he has finally been released, people. So I'm going to read an article here, people. It said the Mobile DJ was released from the Freeport police lockup on Monday, August 17, after being behind bars for the past 6 weeks. The Spartan Angel DJ's release comes on the heels of police seemingly suggesting that he has been cooperating with them and allegedly provided key information that aided in them making several arrests over the past several weeks. So people, I don't know if you have been following it, but there has been a lot of arrests in Mobile for the past 2 to 3 weeks. And so I said this assertion has the potential to damage Tommy Lee Sparta's career if he's branded as a police informant, the equivalent to being a snitch in the hip-hop culture. So them up to now they don't even tell me why them lock up the man for. And because they got some arrests, them say him he's the one behind all this. That can be very dangerous for him. Cause if police label him as a snitch right now and him go back in a film community, you never know what can happen, you know, people. You never know what can happen. It says Tommy Lee Sparta attorney Ernest Simit confirmed the dancehall artist was not charged with a crime and was released as the government mandated state of emergency was lifted on Monday. The dancehall DJ previously appeared in court on 3 occasions for a tribunal and saw numerous delays. Simit noted that the tribunal ultimately ruled that Tommy Lee, whose real name is Leroy Russell, should be released from jail or be charged with a crime. Even if SOE did not come to an end, the state of emergency did not come to an end. Tommy Lee Sparta is calling for peace in his hometown amid a recent flare-up of violence that claimed the lives of many, even injuring dancehall star Ryan King, who is currently recovering in hospital. The violence that has plagued section of Montego Bay, in his words, should stop, must stop. And I don't know why we're killing each other. Why every day we wake up and I kill our brothers and sisters, people? Why we doing it? So this part says, is Tommy Lee Sparta an informer? They say Tommy Lee has had a full pressure of the law against his neck since being held for questioning on July 8th to answer questions surrounding the Sparta gang that operates out of Montego Bay. The police are claiming to have successfully dismantled the deadly Sparta gang through key evidence from one of their detainees last month. Tommy Lee Sparta was taken on police raid where law enforcement officials took him to several locations across Kingston and St. Andrew where several wanted men were arrested and guns seized. Fans have expressed deep disdain in the police painting the artist as an informer while speaking with the Jamaica Star. A source from inside the Jamaica Constable Force revealed that they are getting amazing intelligence leading to their units preempting the actions of the criminals. We have been getting amazing intelligence and we now believe we have a clear picture of what has been going on in the community and the person who have been driving the violence, which we have linked to violent incident in Washington Boulevard, downtown Kingston, and Mountain View in the corporate area. The police are reminding members of the public that it is a criminal offense to harbor a fugitive. So people, if you're not out there harbor fugitive, if you're not harbor criminals, you know better turn them in, because you're not going to be a criminal too. You see me? You got to have a peaceful Jamaica. You can't out there kill and rob people and expect to live a normal life. It not going to work. It is not going to work. But people, me glad say, you know, them release Tommy Lee if he's You know, if he's innocent, we're glad he's out there, a free man, and, you know, just gotta work in him community and make the place better, you see me? Put on the gang business, you see me, I say, people, just live a normal life, you see me, people? So once we get more information on what's going on with this, I will give you guys an update. Alright, people? Big up yourself. One love.